Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to copy and paste a text on your Xbox Series X. So let's say for example you want to copy a text. So let me just type in a text. This is a friend I have, I want to send him a message. So this is the text that you'd like to copy. So all you have to do is press the B button on your controller to close the keyboard, and then press the button that has 3 lines on your controller, and then you should see these options. So within the options, choose select all, and then highlight the text again, and then press the button with the 3 lines, and then from the menu that appears, select copy. And then from there, if you want to paste that particular text, just select the text, or rather select the field that you'd like to paste the text for. So for instance, this page. So press the button with the 3 lines on your controller, and you should see now the paste option, and select paste, and that will paste that particular message. So that's basically it on how to copy and paste a text on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.